accumulates in seconds. On the edge of the pen, life is unguarded joy. At first light, routine keeps a farm breathing. Measured, careful, unhurried. But calm has a horizon, and it's moving closer.
White feathers catch the sun like chips of glass. Hair is measured in small, exact movements. Security is simple: a latch, a boundary, and the promise of morning.
Breakfast, then work. An old rhythm, as dependable as the sun. Instinct meets opportunity in a silent equation. Breakfast ties the morning together.
Two small suns to light a long day's work. Ducks seek safety where warmth resides. Order gives way to commotion. The flock seeks shelter without knowing why.
Joy lives in the smallest places. Mud, balance before the leap. Calculation before the chase.